This dolphin is taking over the internet right now, and no, I'm not joking. Apparently there's this super viral story going around about this dolphin who like kidnapped somebody and brought him underwater to help build civilization. And yeah, I know it sounds insane, but millions of people are online watching videos about this story right now. And the craziest part is that most of these super viral videos about it are completely made with AI. AI images, AI videos, AI storytelling, and AI voiceovers. And they're pulling in millions of views every single day, which means there's a huge opportunity for us right now. If you don't know who I am already, I've made multiple six figures from posting content online and making money through social media with various different methods like selling digital products, TikTok shop, TikTok creator rewards program. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down to you guys exactly how you can take advantage of this trend, the different styles of content that work when it comes to posting for this story, and obviously how you can end up turning these accounts into actual income. Because once you understand how these viral storytelling trends work, you'll start to realize how much of a free content machine this is. All right, so I've got like 6 different styles of video all talking about this topic, and as you can see, this is a very viral new topic because this video was posted 6 days ago and is already at 2.1 million likes. I think this video is at like 8 or 10 million views or something like that, but let's just watch it so you guys can actually understand what this story is. You guys even think it's real or not, and just to sort of get an idea of what this whole talk is about.
Florida man claims to have been kidnapped by dolphins and forced to build an underwater city. The man was found early Monday morning on the side of a beach in Lee County, soaking wet, dehydrated, and confused. When deputies arrived, he was drawing detailed diagrams in the sand. According to the man, a pod of dolphins took him while he was swimming and brought him to a place about 40 feet under the surface. He said they forced him to help build underwater structures. He told deputies the dolphins communicated with him using clicks. He said the group had a leader named Gerald who somehow helped him breathe underwater, possibly by creating an airspace. The man spent 3 days working on what he described as cities, towns, and condo-like structures. When the dolphins were satisfied with his work, they sent him back to the surface and told him they would return for phase 2. Medical staff treated him for dehydration, but found no signs of head injury or mental confusion. Tests showed seawater and marine particles in his lungs, suggesting he had been deep underwater for a long time without typical lung damage. This was unusual and raised questions for doctors. The man holds a master's degree in aerospace engineering and has experience with deep-sea technology, which he says is why the dolphins chose him. Some people think the story is false, but the physical evidence has made others curious. Let me know what you think.
All right, so right there was basically the entire story that's going insanely viral right now. And this is one of the many styles that you can do with it. As you can see, he literally just had an AI 11 Labs voiceover over it telling about the story. And then he put a picture. I don't know if this is the exact guy, but if you used a random guy, it would probably work just as well because most people don't even know who the guy is. And then he's also got a random picture of a dolphin right here. And at the bottom, what's really engaging for this video and is like the main key point to why people were still watching it is because he had a bunch of B-roll clips that he's just gotten off of YouTube or X or Instagram or wherever. He got these clips from somewhere and he's just overlaying them on the bottom of the screen while the story's playing. And so like when it's talking about dolphins, he was putting videos of dolphins, and then when it was talking about underwater structures, he was putting like underwater structure videos. And as you can see, it worked insanely well because it's at 2.1 million likes, and I think the comments are all just like insanely engaging with this story, which is also another key factor to why this blew up, because comments, saves, shares, like it's got so much engagement to where TikTok has no other choice but to boost it. And on top of that, when there's a viral news story, people are usually talking about it. So when somebody sees a video of the story somebody was just mentioning to you, you're going to be more inclined to watching through the entire thing, which means when you watch through the entire thing, your watch time is going to go up more. And when your watch time and your attention go up more, that's when TikTok's like, okay, this video is hitting all the points we need. Let's push it to the masses. And now here's the second type of style that you can do. As you can see, it's kind of like the similar thing, but all this dude's doing is he's doing like a green screen and just talking about it. And you guys let me know in the comments if I'm crazy or not, but I think this guy is AI because I've seen his different like overlays and green screen videos like this on a whole bunch of different accounts. And it just seems like there's no way that he could be doing all this, but I don't know, it looks pretty real when he talks and it sounds pretty real, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's AI because of how things are getting lately. But long story short, we'll watch a few seconds of this one, but all this is it's like the same exact style except he's doing a green screen and talking over it instead of an AI voiceover.
I bet you thought this story couldn't get any crazier. I've got your crazy. He claims he was down there for 3 days helping them build their underwater city. 3 days! And after those 3 days were up, he claims that they told him that they were satisfied with his work. So they took him back to the surface. But they told him, we'll be back. We'll be back for you for phase 2.
So literally just like that, and then he goes on and talks about it for like, gives his opinion for like the next 40 seconds. So those are 2 different styles that you can use to implement this. And as you can see, this one's working very well as well. And there's no engaging music in the background. There's no videos. It's just images and he's talking about the story, which shows the fact that this still blew up with not all those factors into it. Just means that so many people are interested in the story and willing to watch the whole thing no matter how boring visually it looks. So once again, this is a very easy topic to capitalize off views because the content doesn't even have to be that great for it to go viral, simply because of how viral the story already is. And now right here, we have another style similar to the first one we looked at because it's literally just gonna be an AI voiceover with different videos and B-rolls of clips online. And this one was posted 1 day ago and is already at 27,000 likes.
The government tried to cover up the truth about Gerald, that the Dolphin actually exists and did abduct that man. Meanwhile, footage emerged showing helicopters landing near the incident site, law enforcement personnel gathering, and numerous public officials getting involved in the investigation. Many people began to focus their attention on the so-called Gerald. In any case, officials are trying to stifle everyone's speculation. Some believe that the man was not chosen at random. According to his account, the one orchestrating all of this is a dolphin named Gerald. The fact that a person could persistently repeat the same story while in such an exhausted state actually made people feel it wasn't a joke. The public began to suspect that behind the claim of a dolphin kidnapping a man and forcing him to participate in...
The reason that I tell you guys these are all a bunch of clips from different sites on the internet like Instagram, X, YouTube, whatever, is because if you're actually watching these are completely different clips and these aren't even the same people that the video is referring to. Like in every single clip with a person, it's always a different person because there's no actual videos of this story because it's most likely fake. And now we're gonna get into some AI generated stuff. This is a Google VO3 video that somebody made. And it's basically just a reference to the story. We'll watch it, I think it's like 15 seconds. But all this dude did to make this video was head into Google VO3, give it a prompt of how he wants his story, and it generated this video for him.
Now get him back to the kingdom! Wait, they can't breathe under here. Oh, this motherfucker can breathe. Don't let him fool you. We're about to work your knuckles off, bitch! I need to get back home. I can't move these big rocks. Work harder, human! How the fuck am I even breathing under here? I bet she's already went back to her ex by now. I've got to get out of here. You ain't going nowhere yet, buddy. Soon we'll have a whole farm of you alien fuckers down here. Tartaria for life, bitch! Now go bring us more of you. You destroyed our kingdom and it's time for you to fix it!
So that's all that video was. As you can see, it was posted 2 days ago and is at 1.1 million likes. Super engaging, super high quality video. Really referencing the story and making it highly engaging and like volatile in a sense to where it gets a lot of comments. And now this right here is another AI generated video by Google VO3 about the story, posted 1 day ago at 21,000 likes. As you guys can see, if I haven't said it enough already, this niche is insanely viral right now and it's only getting harder and harder to go viral in this niche the longer you wait because this story is so new right now. If you wait 3 weeks down the line to post a video about this niche, most likely people aren't even gonna be interested in it anymore. So let's just watch this video really quick.
We will revenge our ancestors and have every human rebuild our kingdom!
I had a great time with you tonight, and I hope you did too, because you might be gone for a while.
What?
You think this little toothpick of a bitch can manage them boulders we had you pushing? Stop playing with us and bring us the big dogs! We want the yellow-haired fucker too! Stop all that yip-yapping and complaining. Don't act like you ain't did this shit before. It's everybody's turn now! You don't think we get CNN news down here, bitch? Now look at you, everyone thinks you're crazy. Now get your ass out there and bring us more before I make your girl Empress of the Palace.
So same exact style of video. As you can see, he didn't even edit it to where the CapCut thing didn't show up at the end, which just shows you how viral this niche is and insanely easy it is to blow up in, because usually when videos don't cut out this last part with the CapCut popping up, so many people just swipe off the video before it reaches till the end. And so that can oftentimes kill your full watched video, aka retention. And the fact that this did that and it still went viral just shows that people are so interested in engaging with this type of content. All right, now we're gonna go over one more video style, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I would personally do this with AI as well. So this one's actually pretty significant because it's a bit different than all these other styles we just went over. This guy basically made an AI version of Joe Rogan and has him narrating this. And then all these clips are just generated with AI. So once again, the video is completely AI, fully monetizable because everything is 100% original.
Do you think that Dolphin Gerald's story is true? Because millions of people on the internet believed it. I mean, the story where a guy claims he was kidnapped by dolphins, taken underwater, and forced to build things for them while they had some kind of hidden civilization. He even said one dolphin was named Gerald and that they communicated with him like humans. When you hear that, it sounds wild, but it's spread everywhere online because dolphins already have this reputation for being incredibly intelligent. Real science does show that the dolphin has complex communication, social groups, and problem-solving skills. Researchers studying them in places like Florida Keys have shown they recognize themselves in mirrors and cooperate while hunting. But building structures underwater and kidnapping people, there's no verified evidence of anything like that ever happening. What usually happens online is a strange story gets posted once, people repeat it, videos exaggerate it, and suddenly millions think it might be real even though there's no actual proof.
So yeah, just like that, video isn't even 24 hours old and it's already at about 2,000 likes, probably around 20 or 30,000 views so far. And so what I'm going to do for this specific style of video, I'm gonna just have an 11 Labs voiceover, an engaging script, and then generate all the short clips with AI the same way I did last video. I'll show it on the screen right here. But yeah, I think this style would also do extremely well, especially because almost any style, as we just went over, these are basically all the styles people are posting in this niche. And even styles like this that aren't engaging at all are still getting 200,000 likes in 3 days. All right guys, so I just made an entire little script about the whole story with ChatGPT, and now I'm in 11 Labs. I'm just going to use the Josh voice because it's pretty basic. You can really use any voice, it doesn't matter as long as it's understandable and people can actually hear what the voice is saying and it pronounces well. So boom, I'm going to generate this, and then I'm going to get my mega prompt for ChatGPT, paste it in here. And now we are going to get a bunch of image and image to video prompts for this story. And it is a bit time consuming, the fact that I have to copy and paste all these into an image generator and then take those images and put it into an image to video generator, but it takes me about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna just cut this right here and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I have all the clips ready to go inside of CapCut. All right, so as you can see, we are back and we have all the clips we need right here. And if you haven't already noticed, I added a riser sound effect and a bell sound effect just to give it some more quality at the beginning of the video. I went a lot more in depth on why I did that back in the last video that I posted. I'll put it up on the screen right here. And I also got rid of all the audio gaps. That way our video is fast paced and actually keeping the viewers engaged the entire time. Because if you guys have gaps in your audio to where it's saying a sentence and then it has a long pause and then it talks again, viewers are just going to get annoyed and just keep scrolling past because their attention span is too little. So you guys always want to be maximizing the engagement that you guys can make with your video. That way people don't actually scroll past and want to keep watching. So yeah, at this point, all I have to do is add these clips where they belong in the script based off what the script is talking about with this dolphin thing. And then I'll just add a few sound effects and add captions and my video will be good to go. Also, for the very first 3 seconds of the video up until the riser sound effect ends, I like to put a bunch of clips back to back to back to back because your first 3 seconds of the video is the most important part when it comes to the video in general. The first 3 seconds of what the viewers see on your video is what tells them in their brain whether or not they're going to stay and watch it or if they're just going to scroll past and go to another video. Also guys, I did mention this in the previous video I just recorded yesterday, but if you wanted to use the same clip like this, because I already used it right here, and guys, I already mentioned this in the last video, but if you wanted to reuse the same clip twice in your video, you can do that, but I want to make it look like 2 different clips simply because if the viewers see that I've been reusing clips over and over again, they're just going to be like, nothing new is going to come, it's just going to be reused clips, so I'm going to scroll past. So if you wanted to use the same clip, as you can see, I used this clip right here back like 4 seconds ago into the video. And then I'm also putting it right here again. If I want to make it look like an entire different clip, all I'm going to do is go to this tool right here and hit mirror. and boom, it's at a different angle, so it looks like a new clip basically. All right, boom, our video is basically done. There's just a few things we have to do. Every time this bell sound effect goes off, I'm gonna put that specifically where it's like saying either day 1, day 2, or day 3. All right, now that we've done that, I'm gonna add a camera click sound after every single one of these clips change. Go to your sound effects tab on CapCut, go to camera click, find the one you want, adjust it so it's only the click. Then I'm going to paste this after every single clip. All right, boom, now our video looks like this. And so the only thing we have to do now that all the sound effects are added, all the bell sound effects are added. All right, boys, now our video is basically done and it should look something like this. And all I have to do now is I'm gonna add the auto captions and add a background sound, and then it'll be good to go. All right, I added a new sound for the background and I added our auto captions, and now this is what your final video should look like.
What would happen if dolphins kidnapped you to build an underwater city? Day 1. You're swimming off the Florida coast. Suddenly, a pod of dolphins pulls you underwater. Minutes later, you're 40 feet down, but somehow, you can still breathe. Day 2. The dolphins start clicking at you. You begin drawing plans in the sand, cities, tunnels, structures on the ocean floor. One dolphin stays close the whole time. The leader, his name is Gerald. Day 3. The dolphins finish inspecting your work. Then they push you back to the surface. Morning 4. Deputies find you on a beach, soaking wet, drawing strange diagrams in the sand. Doctors find seawater in your lungs, but no damage. And before the dolphins left, they told you they would return for phase 2.
All right, I hope you guys learned something new in this video. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure you join the free Discord down below in the description. And if you guys wanted my personal strategies and niches and everything you'll need to know when it comes to making money with social media a lot quicker than the rest of the people, I'll have the link to Creator Labs Premium down below in the description as well. But other than that, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting, I'm trying to do a video every single day for you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and I'll catch y'all in the next one.